Hello everyone, today I am reviewing something new, the MCHOSE X75 Mechanical Keyboard. The packaging honestly does not match the keyboard. As you can see here, I am unboxing it. The packaging is mainly black, but the keyboard is blue and white. That does not make sense. Alright, let's try typing and... Oh my god, it's amazing. It feels like typing on a cloud. Just listen to this thing. Now, the features of this godly creation according to MCHOSE, the website where I got it from, it has premium keys, magnetic nameplate, a gasket structure design, PBT double shot keycaps, but that's not all. It also has 3 millisecond low latency and an adjustable knob. And look at this compared to the keyboard I wrote the script with. Now we have the price. It's 89 American dollars, which is around 386 Malaysian ringgit if I'm not wrong. Now I'm going to give you brief points about the keyboard. The build quality is really solid. It isn't rickety or fragile. The size is 75% of a normal keyboard, which is why it's called MCHOSE 75%, which means it doesn't have a numpad. It also has 82 swappable keycaps, 3 connection types, wired, 2.4 GHz of USB dongle, or Bluetooth. It also has RGB. The battery life without RGB is 333 hours. With RGB, its maximum lifespan is about 40 hours. Overall, this keyboard is really good for people like me. It's good for studying, light gaming, or writing a script. The price is fair, not so expensive and not so cheap. I recommend this for studying, like writing essays or light gaming, such as Call of Duty or Forza. Alright guys, this video has come to an end. Be sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Now, the features of this godly creation according to MCHOSE, the website where I got it from, it has premium... Now, the features of this godly creation according to MCHOSE, the website where I got it from...
MCHOSE.
MCHOSE.
You say MCHOSE.
MCHOSE.
MCHOSE.